Most systems don't fail because of technology. They fail because of the decisions that quietly shaped them long before anything broke. If you've ever inherited a system that made sense once, but no longer does, you already know why this matters. Welcome to Systems Thinking for Architects. Drawing on more than 26 years working in real production systems, across development, architecture, and platform design, these videos explore how systems behave in the real world as they grow in scale, complexity, and organizational impact. The focus here isn't tools or trends. It's the deeper structures that shape system behavior over time. Decisions, constraints, trade-offs, and governance. We're here to help you design architectures that remain understandable, adaptable, and resilient, even as teams, requirements, and technologies change around them. If you think architecture is about long-term system behavior, not just diagrams, subscribe, and let's explore what really shapes long-term technical outcomes.